Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. This is me Abdullah Ansari welcoming you with the new episode of How to Learn Quran with Accuracy. This episode is basically based on practice of last 8 lessons. So if you are watching this video, so this is my suggestion that go and watch last 8 episode to get this episode. Thank you. In this episode I will give you some examples. Qaf zabar alif, qa, lam zabar la, qala. Now I will tell you how it is qala. There is a vowel with qaf because alif is vowel. I told you when there is a zabar before alif, so it will become vowel. So now it is vowel. Qa, this is vowel, and lam zabar la, lam zabar. Zabar is harka. Lam zabar la. So we will stretch qaf and we will not stretch la. When we will pair together without spelling, when we will pronounce it, so it will become qala, qala, qala. That's so easy. Like this, lam zabar ya, lay, seen zabar sa, lay sa, lay sa. Now lay is lean because there is a ya lean. I told you that when there is a zabar before ya sakina, so it will become ya lean. So now lam zabar ya, lay. We will pronounce very softly. Lam zabar ya, lay, and seen zabar sa. Sa, there is a harka, we will not stretch sa as well. So it's mean that there is no any vowel, we will not stretch lay sa. That's so easy. When we will pair together, so it will become lam zabar ya, lay, seen zabar sa, lay sa, lay sa, lay sa. That's so easy. Let's go ahead one another word like qaf zer ya, qi, and lam zabar la, qi la, qi la. Now qi, there is a vowel because I told you that when there is a zer before ya sakina, so it will become a vowel, madda. So here we will stretch qi, qaf, we will stretch it, qi, and lam zabar la. Again there is a harka upon lam, so we will not stretch lam, qi, and lam zabar la, qi and la. Got it? Good. Now I am giving you one another word for checking you that how you are getting. Meem zer ya, mi, qaf zabar alif, qa, mi, qa, and ta, do zabar or two zabars. You can say do zabar, you can say two zabars. Ta, two zabars, tan, or ta, do zabar, tan. When we will pair together, so it will become mi, qa, tan, mi, qa, tan. Now in this word there are two vowels. One is ya vowel with meem, meem zer ya, mi, and one vowel with qaf. There is alif, qaf zabar alif, qa. So it's mean that we will stretch meem and qaf both of, mi, qa, and at last there is ta do zabar tan. Tan is so simple, we will not stretch it, mi, qa, tan. When we will pair together, how we will spell it? We will spell like this: meem zer ya, mi, qaf zabar alif, qa, mi, qa, and at last ta, do zabar or two zabars, tan, mi, qa, tan. I hope you are getting. Now I am giving you a last word. Meem zabar wow, mau, bod, pesh wow, du, mau, du, ain zabar a, mau, du, a, and at last ta, do pesh or two pesh, tun, mau, du, a, tun. Now you have to get it that in this word there is one lean, one vowel, one harka, and one tanween. Getting? I will explain. Meem zabar wow, mau. This wow is lean because I told you that when there is a zabar before wow sakina, so it will become wow lean. So there is wow lean. Meem zabar wow, mau, mau. This mau we will not stretch it. Go ahead. Dot, pesh, wow. Du. Now we will stretch it wow because of a vowel. Du. I told you that when there is a pesh before waw sakina, so it will become a vowel. So here you go. Mau du. Ain zabar a. A is so simple. Ain zabar a. There is harka. And at last ta do pesh or two pesh. How you will get easy? Ta do pesh tun. Ta two pesh tun. Mau du a tun. When we will pair together in one time, if you will pronounce it, so you will pronounce like this: mawdu'atun, mawdu'atun, mawdu'atun. That's so easy, and there are a lots of words for practicing. This is my also suggestion for you, that if you want to get perfection in qaida, so you have to do practice more, then you will get accuracy in Quran Majid. Again, I am saying to you that if you having any kind of confusion, so you can ask me in comments. And if you like this video, so like it and make a small comment. And also, if you want to take class with separate time with proper class, so you can contact us, and also you can visit my website www.thequranexperts.com.